the milk collection system. Introduction. In most of the developed countries, production of milk is confined to rural areas, while demand is mostly urban in nature. Hence, the milk has to be collected and transported from production points to processing, including chilling centers and distribution points in cities. Small farmers and landless laborers usually maintain 1 to 3 milch animals. As a result, small quantities of milk are produced in a scattered manner all over the country. This situation makes the task of milk collection complex. With the growth of the organized dairy industry in India, a trend towards establishing modern farms has gained momentum for milk production, with a herd of 100 to 300 cows buffalo in line with the practice adopted in advanced countries. These farms have the facilities of machine milking and bulk milk cooling. That slide clearly sets up the biggest challenge for the milk collection system, managing the logistics of small, scattered milk production to meet massive urban demand. To dig into this complex system, where should we start? Would you like to explore? 1. The challenges faced by the collection system when milk is produced in small, scattered quantities. Focus on traditional logistics. 2. The critical role of chilling centers and transport in getting milk from rural farms to urban cities. Focus on infrastructure. 3. The benefits of machine milking and bulk milk cooling used in modern large-scale farms. Focus on technology. Rural milk collection. Undertaking extensive surveys in the milkshed area to establish a dairy plant. Availability of milk at various collection points is ascertained based on 1. The number of animals. 2. Future potential of milk availability. 3. Presence of the competitors. Route planning. Checking milk availability. Road access to collection points and their distance from the site of the dairy plants. Planning the location of the primary collection and chilling centers. Type of systems. In India, 4 systems of milk procurement, viz., direct, contractor, agent and cooperative systems are popular. It has been estimated that about 67% of total milk production is marketed, out of which 51% is the share of traditional channels and remaining 16% is through the organized sector. The low capital demands of traditional systems make it hard to replace. The organized dairies collect milk through one or a combination of the following systems. Milk collection systems in the organized sector. First, the direct system. In this system, the organized processor, public, cooperative or private, collects milk directly from the producers by establishing village procurement centers. Next, the contractor system. The processor purchases milk from the contractor according to the terms of contract such as quality, quantity, price, etc. Finally, the agent system. The processor appoints agents to procure milk in a particular area. Payment for the milk is made directly to the producers while the agent gets the commission. Cooperative system. At the village level, the farmers form a cooperative society that establishes the milk collection centers. The society collects milk twice a day and delivers it to the milk collection centers, where the milk is weighed, tested, and the price paid to farmers. The payment is based on fat content, or fat plus SNF solids not fat content in the milk. The village society sells milk to its own district cooperative dairy plant. It transports milk in cans by trucks or through insulated road milk tankers, preferably via a chilling center. Chilling centers, bulk milk cooling centers. If the dairy plant is far away from the collection center, then the collected milk is first brought to a centralized chilling center, bulk milk cooling unit. Here milk is cooled to 4 to the power of circ text C and stored in insulated storage tanks of 5,000 to 20,000 L capacity. Subsequently, the chilled milk is transported in insulated road milk tanker to the dairy plant. The transportation of milk from the chilling center to the dairy plant usually takes place once a day. Efficiency of systems. Each system has its own merits and demerits. The efficiency of any system can be measured through analysis of various indicators like 1. Regularity in milk collection. 2. Efficiency of milk collection in lean months to the milk collected in flush months. 3. Quality of milk procured. 4. Cost of milk procurement. Problems of milk procurement. In order to make plants financially viable and sustainable, the procurement system has to be such that the plant runs efficiently. The principal problems in milk procurement, which have a direct bearing on capacity utilization and operational efficiency, are well recognized. The major problems listed below demand managerial skills to ensure adequate milk supplies to dairy plants throughout the year. Right arrow. Perishable nature of commodity, improper cleaning of milking vessels, hind quarters of animals, udder of the animal and the barn. right or commitment for lifting small surpluses of milk from thousands of farmers. Problems of milk procurement continued. Wide fluctuations in milk output based on seasons. Procurement of milk from farmers, members and non-members of the cooperative societies, problem of payment of price and sharing of inputs. Lack of infrastructural facilities like cooling at village level, unreliable electricity supply, non-availability of spare parts of machinery. Due to these, about 2–5% of milk received is COB positive, especially in summer. Poorly developed roads and transportation systems cause undue delay in milk procurement. Cost of chilling and transportation is high. Procurement problems being specific to challenging geographical areas like hilly regions, drought-prone areas, tribal areas, and forests. Issues with the quality of raw milk, including chemical and microbiological hazards, and poor cleaning of milking utensils and sanitation of milking areas. The widespread problem of adulterants, neutralizers, preservatives, pesticides, antibiotics, and other additives in raw milk. Unhealthy competition among various parties involved in milk procurement, vendors, contractors, cooperative milk unions, and other agencies.